Alright guys, so since we got the plow yesterday, we did a little plowing off camera and we wanted to test it out. So today we were going to take the 140 and disc it, but then this tire was bummed, so we're taking it off the rim, going to take it to a tire shop, get it fixed. So I've got most of the bolts out right here, got my nice impact, so it's easy. So let's go ahead and take this one out. Easy as that. Just set it over here. The other bolts. Now that we got all the bolts out, this rim and tires just come right off. And now we can take it to a body shop or a tire shop and get it fixed. We're at the tire shop. We got the tire right here, and we probably won't film much in there because reasons, but we'll see if they can do something for us. From the tire shop, we got what my grandpa calls the lady's heel in a bolt hole to make it lined up. We've started 2 bolts here, as you can see. So we're just going to put some more bolts in here. Just get them started real quick. And then I don't know if many of you know this, but when you're tightening the tire, you should go in a star pattern. So first we want to just run these down real quick. Wrong way. And we have the impact going the right way. We want to run them down. We're just getting them tight. So we're not really just tightening. So then now we can remove the lady's heel, as my grandpa calls it, and put our last bolt in. Then run it down. And then I like to start at the top of the tire. And now we're going to start our star pattern. And then go directly across. Then just go to the next one. Go directly across. Go to the next one. And once you've gotten to this point, then you go to each one all the way around and just retighten. You don't have to do it in the star pattern, just you do it in, that's the way we do it. Now we're installing wheel weights back on this particular tractor. We wanted wheel weights on it because the disc is really heavy and kind of a 2-person job, so we had to put the camera down. But I believe I can get this last one in by myself. So I'll try to show you how to do that. Coming through. It's got dirt in them. Oh yeah. And now, make sure the get our 3/4 socket on our impact. Then find the head of the bolt. Put it 3/4. Oops, don't do that. Oops. Oh my God. My wrench got stuck back here. loosen it a little bit to get my wrench off, so just to make sure. And get our wrench on the head again. If I can't drop it. And then now our wheel weights are installed. So I'm gonna put the tools back up real quick and I'll see you in a sec. Alright guys, I got most of the tools put up. Just gonna let this jack down. Simply just push it to the left, move it down, put it to the right to lock it. Go put our piece of wood up. And now we're gonna just push the jack up. The jack's really heavy. Now we've got the tire on and all fixed up, so now we can go disc.
That actually ought to be pretty good. Go ahead and go with that. Some gas.